In this video guys, I will share with you step by step the method and strategies that helped me to earn $4,900 in commission with Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. So I made this commission just in 18 days. From the first day of July until the day 18th of July, I made $4,900. So for people who are interested to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, you need to follow those steps. Make sure to watch this video until the end. Don't skip any step. If you do, this business will be really difficult for you and you will not be able to earn commission like this. Okay, so anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Click on the first link like this. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Amazon affiliate. Click on sign up and you will be directly in this page. Scroll down and click over here on create your Amazon account, and here you go. All you have to do guys is you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, so you should see your summary here, your commissions and so on. Okay, so now you need to choose a good product that you will promote on YouTube. We will use YouTube to promote our Amazon affiliate links for free using free traffic, but first we need to choose good product that people will be interested to buy so we can earn commission. Okay, so here is what you will do next. You will go to your YouTube homepage. Open your YouTube homepage. All of you guys have a YouTube account, so just open your YouTube homepage like this. And why we choose YouTube? Okay, so let me show you. So did you know that YouTube has 31 billion monthly visitors? You guys can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly and if you follow those steps. 31 billion monthly visitors, and millions of people every single day scrolling and searching for on YouTube for specific services, products, topics and so much more. Okay, and YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. Okay, so you guys need really to know the potential of YouTube. Anyway, open your YouTube homepage, click on the search and ask question. For example, I will ask, for example, best let's say camera. Okay, for, and here you go guys. A lot of people, YouTube, you just need to ask question and YouTube, or put your keywords here and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. This is report search prediction. That's what people are searching for on YouTube right now. Okay, people are searching for best camera for photography, best camera for vlogging, best camera for YouTube videos, best camera for YouTube, best camera for beginner photography, for streaming and so on. Okay, so those people who are searching for those topics, so why they are searching for those topics? Because they want to start creating content and they need camera. That's why they are searching for the best camera. Okay, so those people are interested to buy those camera, okay, to this product to start creating content. Okay, so what you will do, I will go to Amazon. Go to your Amazon homepage. Okay, not your Amazon affiliate account. Let me show you. Just go to Google. Okay, go to Google and search for Amazon like this and click on the first link. You need to go to Amazon website. Okay, so just let me show you. Search for Amazon, click on the first link and you will be directly in this page. Okay, so what you will do next, you will click here on the search and search for YouTube camera for YouTubers, or YouTube camera, or just search for this keyword, YouTube camera for YouTubers, or YouTube camera for YouTube and so on. Okay, I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, so let's choose. We need to choose good products and good camera for those people. Okay, So it if you want, you guys can promote cameras who are good and in high quality, and you also can promote cameras that are cheap and not cheap, but it's also good for beginners. Okay, so you guys understand what I mean. Okay, there are people who can buy cameras who are expensive. Okay, and there are people who can buy those cameras who are in cheap price. Okay, so that's what I mean. I'm gonna search for, let's see, let's check, for example, let's check this one. I will click on this product on this camera. Okay, and you will be directly in this product page on Amazon. Okay, so we will choose this one to promote this product on YouTube. Okay, for those people who are searching for the best camera for YouTube, for creating content and so on. Okay, so what you will do next, pay attention please, scroll down, so you can see here that this seller has a video. Click on his video, and as you can see guys, this seller has a video. Okay, so what you will do next, let me show you. What you will do next, you will click here on this icon here to get the full screen. Okay, then what you will do next is you will record this video. So turn your screen recording on and record this video. Okay, from the
this camera recorder. This one is 4K Ultra HD, so let me now unbox it and show you how it looks like. So inside we've got, of course, user manual. We've got just like a quick guide. We've got remote control.
And as you can see guys, this seller is has a video and showing his camera and explaining this camera, the benefits of this camera, how people can use it, how people can use it to create content and so on. So like I said, click here to get the full screen and record this video. Okay, after you finish recording this video will be recorded to your laptop. Go back to Google, okay, and search for Canva. It's super easy. Search for Canva like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Okay, it's for free guys. Click over here on video and you will be directly in this page over here. So what you will do next, you will click here on upload and click on upload file. Okay, click on upload file and upload the video that you recorded on Amazon, okay, for this product. So I recorded this one, as you can see.
Today we're gonna be looking at this camera recorder.
I recorded this one. Just click on open and click here on videos and you should find your video here, and that's it. Click on your video. This is the video about camera for YouTube. Those people who want to start YouTube or start creating content, they will be interested to buy this product. Background, and that's it. Click here on text, scroll down and choose which style of text you want to use. So for example, I'm going to use this one. So just click on the text style that you want to use and your text will be in the front of your video here. Okay, like this. I will delete the second one and decrease the font size of your text like this. Put your text here, double click on this text and write this sentence. Check link in description. Okay, check link in description like this. I'm gonna make it small. Okay, and click here on elements. Okay, scroll down. So just scroll down, go over here to ship and choose this one, this ship here. Just click on this one and it will be over here. Click on color and choose black color. You can choose different colors here. Okay, I'm gonna choose black color because it's good, and put this sheep behind your text like this. Okay, Okay, it's looking good. Check link in description because we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description, and that's it. You guys can also click over here on upload. Okay, click on upload, and you can also upload background music that you can add to this video to make it more professional and engaging. Okay, I already have a lot of background music. You just need to click on the background music that you want to add, and your background music will be under your video. You can click here on volume, and you can decrease the volume of your background music just to 15 maybe, or 16, like this. Okay, just like this. Just decrease the background. Don't make the background music too much high, the volume. After you finish, click on share, and that's it. Let me show you. I already made this video. Let's check, and let me know, guys, your opinion.
Today we're gonna be looking at this camera recorder. This one is 4K Ultra HD, so let's now unbox it and show you how it looks like. So inside we've got, of course, user manual, board, just like a quick guide, remote control, charging cable, the battery, the one is the replacement, and that is the charging dock for your camera. That is our camera. Let's take it out. It goes in a nice case like this. And that is.
And as you can see, guys, it's an amazing video. This video can convert people who want to start making videos, YouTube videos, or creating content, starting creating content. They will buy this product, and this product also is a really in good price. It's just for let me see the price. $79. Yes, it's just for $79. Okay, so it's really good. And this seller, this person explaining this product and showing the product to those people who want to start creating content and who are searching for the best camera to start making content.
How our camera looks like. Looks pretty good. From this part, is like I can open it.
So you see, it's really an amazing video. Click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go back to your YouTube channel and choose this title, best camera for YouTube videos. Use this title for your videos. Okay, for this video that you will upload on YouTube, go back to Amazon. Okay, go back to this Amazon product page. Okay, you already have an Amazon affiliate account, so you should see this box over here. Okay, you should see this Amazon associate site track. So what you will do, you just need to click on text. Just click on text. Okay, and this is your affiliate link for this product. Copy your affiliate link, go back to YouTube, put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. And it's working, guys. People are making so much money with this business. I'm sharing this with you for free. So let me show you. If you guys don't believe, let me show you. Let's search for best camera for YouTube videos. Let's search just to show you guys it's working, okay? Because a lot of people, they think it's not working. So we have a lot of people here. Those people who are making those videos, they have an affiliate links in their YouTube description. So let me show you best camera for YouTube videos. You see this one. We have here another one, best vlogging camera for beginners in 2024. Let's check, for example, this one. Okay, for this channel, let's click on this video. Let me see if this person has an affiliate link. And here you go. This is an affiliate link. This is an affiliate link. This is another affiliate link. 3 cameras. Let's click on this one. Okay, so let me see. Let's click on this one, the first one. Let me see. Do you see? It's a hard travel case for Sony vlogging camera. This product is for camera. Okay, do you see? This person is promoting Amazon affiliate links. Okay, So if you buy this product from this person for this price, let me see where is the price. This is the price. Okay, if you buy this products from this YouTuber, this YouTuber will earn commission from Amazon affiliates. Okay, do you see? Here is another affiliate marketing link, and here is another affiliate marketing link. Okay, and you guys keep saying it's not working, it's waste of time. What are you talking about? Do you know how much this YouTuber has made from this one product on Amazon? This seller has made a lot of money because this video got almost half of million views for this video. Okay, best vlogging camera for beginners. If you guys have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next video. Make sure to like this video. We'll start sharing with you guys a lot of new methods that you need to start using to earn commission with affiliate marketing, and see you in my next video.